Right. Okay, so what's up? We're working with Simon getting that ugly girl! Ugly girl alert! Ugly girl alert who no one likes.
Get out of here.
But anyways,
Anyway, the aviary's up there.
okay, so anyways, we're going to the aviary. Yep, well anyways.
With this girl?
With that ugly girl who no one likes. Right, no, you're the girl.
Yep, bye girl.
And no one likes you.
Wait. Please stop. Oh, that's a diarrhea.
What does it say? The Olaria Arugafoliage. Yeah, alright, bye bye. Oh my god, it's a wrestling on a with stringy lilac and lace. My look, yeah, mate. Alright, guys, follow this guy on Instagram. He's taking photos behind the scenes of
K Clown
this
production.
video. Oh yeah, follow me. K Clowns is your mum. No, it's just K Clowns. Wait, you guys know Cardboard Surfing? One of our cool videos. What I do with this guy? We should do it down here. Boy. Guys, we came across our first bird. What are you up to, mate? Oh my days, look at it. Hello. Yo, where are the other ones? Oh my god, look at it! Oh my days! Oh, it's kind of... Oh, there's another guy up there. They're mating. Alright guys, we gotta get out of here. They may bite! Bite your face.
Oh my god!
Look at them, can you see them? Look at that! Hello! There's some dude hiding back there. Probably can't see him, but he's hiding back there.
I got it.
This next one smells filthy.
No. Oh god!
Good dude. Look, little green dude over there. Right there. Right there. You see him? Oh, look at these dudes. Look at these jolly dudes. Simon, look at these guys. Simon, look at these guys. Come on. And we got this guy. Alright, right there. Hello, mate. Hello, mate. Yo, that's beast. Yo, I want a feather, man. Give me a feather. Any dude in here? Nope. Don't really see anyone in here. Can you guys see it? I can see feathers. And that's it. What a letdown, mate. Yo, see these green dudes who I was talking about? Look, these other dudes back there. Like, there.
Zoom it in.
There.
Zoom it in.
There. Let me check. See that guy? And there's a guy over there poking his little schmug. Yo, behind the scenes of this guy's video, he's doing one. Yeah, look at the green dudes. Look at the green dudes.
Green dude.
See green dudes. That's how you get a bit shot. Hashtag green dudes. You know,
Yeah,
green dudes. Someone's left their lunch. What idiot?
Do you see that, my friend?
Yo, it is right there. And then we got another ugly. Oh my god, it's a bee! You're not part of the factory, mate. Get out. Yes. Oh, beautiful.
Birds. Birds.
So much birds.
Birds.
So much birds. So much birds. Yo, are those the birds? Those aren't cool at all. They're the little dumb birds. You see them? They make the crappiest noise ever. Shut up. Shut up. Bro, shut up. Hey, look at that girl! Look at that girl! Through the woods, boys! Going through the woods, boys! Ah! Holy snap! Yo, it's a... Oh my days! It's a wild bird! Ah! Yo, go watch his video and you can see, like, kind of behind the scenes of my video, but kind of not.
The girl has the...
With a girl.
There come the girls.
Oh my days! Look at
Don't
it!
scare him. He's my mate.
Oh my god!
He's a friendly little fella.
Don't
No,
bite.
no, he's not friendly at all.
Yeah.
He's really not friendly.
Yeah, no, he's friendly.
Alright.